Think back to a project where you overlooked, or even an RFI revealed, a custom-sized panel or a specialty wood or metal finish, or even a time and labor-saving clip or accessory. You needed it fast, right? Were you able to get it fast? Well, stay tuned. I'm about to tell you about 3 fast product programs from Armstrong. First, there's FASTSIZE. Linear fixtures and diffusers on projects today require special tegular or vector cuts in the field of the room. Plus, suspension systems have to be custom routed to accommodate these MEP fixtures. Here's our FASTSIZE program for factory-sized panels in the broad Cirrus, Ultima, Optima, Cala, and Lyra families. For grid, we offer FASTSIZE for Prelude, Superfine, Interlude, and Silhouette. You need a special size? We'll get you a quote in 24 hours. Once ordered, you'll receive a ship date confirmation in 24 hours. Our lead times are 2 weeks for suspension systems and 3 weeks for ceiling panels. Ceiling panel size options vary by family, but range from 4 inches to 48 inches wide and 4 inches to 120 inches long. Product size options for grid are 36 inches to 144 inches for main beams and 6 inches to 144 inches for cross tees. The product quantities that you have to order are just 1 carton minimum per item. Second, FAST 134 focuses on standard specialty ceilings that are available in 4 weeks or less. They'll fit most budgets and come in a variety of options. Plus, standard sizes and colors mean no shop drawings or submittal sample approvals needed. FAST 1 products ship in 1 week after your order is placed. FAST 3 and 4 products, you guessed it, ship in 3 or 4 weeks after your order is placed. FAST 1 products are sourced from 10 different metalworks, woodworks, and Tectum product families. Choose from different sizes, colors, and stains to suit your project's requirements. FAST 3 products are sourced from 14 different metalworks, woodworks, soundscape, and Tectum families. There's also key wood, metal, TechZone configurations available. Again, these are available in 3 weeks. FAST 4 products are sourced from 25 different feltworks, infusions, metalworks, soundscapes, and woodworks families, along with key TechZone complements. Again, FAST 4 items are available in 4 weeks after your order is placed. Third, FASTSHIP allows you to receive a wide variety of acoustical and drywall ceiling clips and accessories in just the right quantity as quickly as overnight to help you save time and money while making your project faster, easier, and better. 90+ clips and accessory options are available for overnight or ground delivery. You have the option of small 50-piece carton quantities or even full-size buckets. If there ever was a clip you've been wanting to try, it's easy now with only a 50-piece sample order. Now, that was a lot of information delivered to you fast. If you want to slow it down and digest these 3 separate FAST programs, just visit armstrongceilings.com/FAST. Then make your next project faster, easier, and better.